Ah, folks, let's have a party tonight. You're a big audience and you're welcome here on Grinders. So first of all, I may introduce the band. Back on drums, the unbelievable Mr. Sweet. Give a big hand to Mr. Sweet. Love you, love you, love you. Next thing I want to tell you, it's an unbelievable musician. It's Mr. Home on bass. Mr. Home, welcome Mr. Home on bass. And now you will see the most wonderful creature in the whole wide world that ever made music for you. It's Mrs. Bama. So we all have together Mr. Sweet, Mr. Home, Mrs. Bama. So let's do it for tonight. First song of ourselves, Give Me 3 Steps. Den Jim Beamer auf einen Grappa, wo wir so verspielen. Oh, Motherfucker, Häuse, renne so schnell, bring uns doch nur etwas rein. Die wollen uns noch hoch und die wollen uns hoch, auf jeden Fall sind wir zur Tat. Bring das Reich auf, Leute! This is